Hi guys, this is AJ from Trekker Fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting our motivational career tip session with AJ. So today I will be giving you our first career advice or tip, what you call it, to actually enhance and grow your career. So in my past careers and experiences, I have learned one thing which is very important, right? That you need to enjoy every single day. Okay, if you don't enjoy your every single day, there are chances that you will not going to be able to work 100% in your job, right? So my first career tip to you guys are to achieve growth success in your career. You must enjoy every single day of what you do. The day you stop enjoying the work is the day you will not be able to perform your 100%. So always remember to enjoy every bit of it. Why it is important to enjoy your work? I will like to share a story with you of one of my friends who was working in an oil and gas industry. And once he found a job because it was paying quite a lot than what he was earning, and it was giving him a title of the role. Okay, because everybody likes to be a manager, everybody likes to be a supervisor somewhere. If you're at a senior level of the role, they like to grow in their career. But changing your experience and the field you enjoy did cause him a problem in his next job. He was not able to settle down, and he had to switch relatively very quickly than what he had in mind of being there for many years, being in a good position, right? So it's very important that you enjoy each and every day at your work. If you like the work you like to do, even if it's not paying at this point of time of what you're looking for, but it's better to enjoy in the field in which you want to work in rather than in a field where you compromise and not be able to give your 100%. That can actually give you a bump, actually give you a very big bump in your career. I have faced it before, my friends have faced it before, so it is very important to enjoy the work you do. So today's tip was to make sure that you enjoy every day at your work and every bit of it. Just to conclude, I would say it is scientifically proven the human being will perform his best when he's happy. So make sure that you enjoy every single day. That's all for today, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. And pretty soon we'll be launching our series on budgets and savings and how to survive in Dubai. So make sure you stay tuned for those. And there will be more career tips coming soon in this motivational career tips series. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.